Have you ever wondered how the applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, banking apps are built and delivered to the user without breaking? Behind every successful product, there is a structured delivery that is known as software development lifecycle, which is called as SDLC. And if you want to become a DevOps engineer, SDLC is very important because the DevOps mainly focuses on the automation and SDLC does this job. In this video, I'll explain how SDLC incorporates with the DevOps and how it fits in the DevOps role in a very simple way. Let's get started. My name is Abhishek Jha. In today's video, we are going to understand what is SDLC and we are also going to understand how does it work. So first thing, SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. It is a standard industrial process to do the development, test, build, design, deployment after that. So the primary focus will be to deliver a high quality product to the customers. Let's take an example. There is an example.com, a company which have two products. One is the menswear, second is the women's wear. In that, they want to add a new category for the children's. So what they will do, they can execute this in the SDLC way, where first they build, and before the building, they will first plan, after that design, then construct, and then they will follow the other processes. Let's see. The next one is planning and requirements. In the planning and requirements, what they will do is, first they'll segregate what are the different age groups. So first is 6 to 12 age groups, then first to fourth age group. So with this, they can design and develop. Key in the which age group they have the high audience. What is the market demands? So they will sit with the business analyst, product owners, and then gather the raw information feedback from the customers. And then the 50-20 customers are saying that the project is for the smaller grades, like for the age 1 to 6 or 6 to 12. Based on that, they will move further. So the second thing will be defining. So defining the squares. So converting the feedback from the customers, they will try to make a source of truth for the entire engineering team. These are the categories where we have to work on. Next process will be for designing the architecture, where there will be two levels of the designing will be work. One will be HLD, which is high level design, and the second one will be low level design, LLD. So in the high level design, they will see like the scalability for the Christmas traffic which will be coming. So if they are launching a new product, so there will be some discounts they have to give it. So that they will work on the high level design. And the second one will be low level design, where the normal input size, what will be the different size will be there, how does it work, it will check, how it will be delivered to the different stores. So all these things will be done in the designing of the next one, which is designing the architecture, where it will be high level and the low level design will be done. Next is for building and deployment. So how they will build everything. So first, the developer, they will build the different codes for designing a website if they are going to sell it on the website. So what they will do, they will be the developer who will design the websites. After the website will be done, they will make the whole blueprint for high level design and the low level designs, and then it will be the executable code. And after that, the workflow will be from the local machine. They will send it to the peer reviews for their friends to for their colleagues to review, and then that will be put into the GitHub. Next will be the testing of the quality, how the servers and everything is working. So then they will test, the quality control will be there. So the quality engineer will work, then deployment of the code will be there, then dedicated testing teams will be there based on the same environment, cloud environment and everything. And over there, they will verify the kits catalog. And over there, they will ensure that this kits catalog requirements are being met as per the market demands. Next is, once everything is sorted, planning is done, then designing is done, then high level design, low level design is sorted. After that, the quality engineer sat and quality engineer tested everything, and it's now all the conditions and the requirements are met. Then they will send it to the deployment, and in the deployment they will promote, like test, check all the codes and everything is proper. Then they will send it to the production team. After the production team make it verified that okay, this is okay, then the feature is accessible to the public. So this will be the last time, which will be the deployment phase. So and then the customer can continue with the transactions and enable the different types of revenues for the companies. Next will be the cycle. So the first was the planning. After that, it was defining. After that, it was designing. Plan, define, design, then build, then test, then deploy. So there was total of 6 levels. Next, in the DevOps, where we come into the picture from like fourth level onwards. After the third, after the designing part, we'll continue with the build, test and deployment. Otherwise, we can also continue with the first one, but that will be the waste of time, because the business analyst and the owners will work on these aspects. So normally the DevOps engineer will start working from the build, test and the deployment part. So while they're aware of the full cycle, you will be aware of the full cycle, but the DevOps engineer's primary role will be to work on the building, testing and deployment. Next will be for what we'll do the like scripting, then git push. After that, it will be automatically triggered, build the server, then automatically tested will be done, like all the testings, then the production will be used. And over here, there is no any type of manual handcuffs, and no human intervention is also allowed. So that's why the DevOps is completely automation. Everywhere automation. So the solution is replacing the human manual intervention with the automation script. Next is organizational efficiency. This will also increase the organizational efficiency because of the DevOps. So the first is organizational efficiency will be 99.9% will be used, and the latency is only 10 milliseconds. So within 10 milliseconds it's working, because everything is automated, and that's why this DevOps. So over here the strategic insight is the DevOps mandate. It's not just about the tools, it's about the fit. So they are working on the operation as well as the deployment, like, or the development part as well. So Terraform is powerful. Like, there is an example that Terraform is powerful, but it is right, like which specific organization it's using, whether it is perfectly fit for your organization or not. So that also you have to check. So the role of engineer or the DevOps engineer is not only that you are the decision maker aligning the technology and the business requirements of the company. Next is system integration, where all the complete details will be used. So first is SDLC, the map. So where the DevOps engineer is nothing but the systems. You are the engine. Identity. You do not write the app code, but you do write the scripting. You work on the building, building the code, then testing the code, then deployment will be also used. So these are the things which you will be working on. Next is the protocol is complete, which is SDLC, software development lifecycle. So software development lifecycle consists of first planning, designing. After that, plan, design, we can see here. So plan, code, build, test, deploy and operation. So everything we operated as well. So 6 things are there: plan, code, build, test, deploy and operate. That's it. So these are the 6 things which are there in the SDLC, software development lifecycle. It's as simple as that. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, put the like, subscribe, comment, and put any comment, because this is a new channel, we'll need your help. So quickly put your comment, and you can also comment what are the new things which you want in the DevOps. We'll see you in the next bit. Bye bye. Jai Hind.